Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing well. I am Sadaf Kilani, a student of Fatma Jinnah Women University. I feel proud to represent my university at Punjab Innovative Technology Expo 2025, a great event which is made possible by the hard work of the Punjab Education Commission and the Higher Education Department, Punjab. I am very thankful to my university and my teachers for their support, guidance, and trust in me. At this year's expo, I will be representing a research project that focus on two big problems. First one is textile waste and the other one is energy crisis. My study shows how common fungi like Aspergillus and Penicillium can break down cotton fabric waste and turn it into bioethanol, a clean and renewable fuel. I am really excited to share our work at the Punjab Innovative Technology Expo in Lahore and meet other students, researchers, and professionals who are working for a better and greener future. Join us on 21st April 2025 for this amazing event.
Stay tuned to education updates for all educational content. Join our YouTube and WhatsApp channel for more updates. Thank you.